Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So first of all, you have to hold down power key, and after this menu appears, hold your finger on the power off key, and then when you see this reboot to safe mode, just tap OK, and your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode now. So if you want to exit safe mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.